As the weather warms up, trailer trips increase, campgrounds reopen, and farms enter their busy season. That is why today we are introducing a complete wireless visibility and recording system, Solar 5B, our 2026 best backup camera, designed to deliver unmatched clarity, stability, and confidence on the road. Solar 5B features a 7.2-inch 1080p HD display. Its 16:9 widescreen format delivers a full and natural field of view while driving. The wider layout makes viewing more comfortable and avoids the cramped feel of smaller screens. When using dual cameras, the split screen clearly distinguishes front and rear views. Whether it is a campsite entrance or the back of your trailer, everything is clearly visible at a glance. At night, Solar 5B utilizes AUTO-VOX proprietary night vision enhancement technology. Under street lighting, it clearly captures road details. During overnight camping, it can also function as a temporary monitoring system. If you drive a motorized RV, simply power the system to monitor your surroundings in real time. With DVR recording enabled, it captures footage that may serve as evidence when needed. What truly sets Solar 5B apart is its N50-grade magnetic mounting system. The strong magnetic hold ensures secure attachment and quick setup, no drilling, no wiring. Mounted on a trailer frame, farm equipment, a metal truck bed, or a boat trailer. Wherever you need visibility, you can place it. If there is no magnetic surface available, Solar 5B includes a metal mounting plate. The plate can be secured with screws or installed using 3 meters adhesive tape to minimize vehicle impact. Solar 5B features a dual antenna system with up to 500 feet of stable wireless transmission. It supports motorized RVs, towable RVs, utility and work trailers, marine setups, and farm vehicles. Whether driving at highway speeds or in signal-dense environments, the image remains stable and responsive. Solar 5B charges via USB-C and includes a built-in solar panel for solar-assisted power. This helps reduce charging frequency while supporting cleaner energy use. With AUTO-VOX proprietary low-power technology, you can adjust the sleep timer directly from the monitor. When not in use, it enters sleep mode to extend battery life. Solar 5B is rated IP69K waterproof. It performs reliably in rain, snow, and wet or muddy conditions. Solar 5B adapts to a wide range of real-world scenarios. Trailer hitch alignment, monitoring your trailer while driving at highway speeds, blind spot monitoring around farm equipment, everyday reversing and parking in tight urban spaces, campsite monitoring after arrival, and enhanced visibility during outdoor adventures, helping reduce misjudgment and lower accident risk. After fully testing the Solar 5B, I believe it stands out as one of the most recommended RV backup camera systems for 2016. Not only delivers clear and stable visuals, but also addresses real-world concerns such as complex installation, signal stability, and battery performance. If you are looking for an RV backup camera that balances clarity, stability, and ease of installation, Solar 5B is well worth considering.